Deborah Adele says in her book, The Yamas and Yamas, that there was a couple years of her life that she went through life so quickly that she has very few long-term memories of that time of her life. And I think that we all do that. We sort of speed through life nowadays, and we're not even really creating those long-term memories. So we can get to be forgetful. I'm not sure, what did I do this weekend even? And Ayurveda suggests that we need to digest everything, not just what we eat. We don't just take food in and then our body discerns what is nourishing for us and what it needs to get rid of, but it needs to digest life. It needs to go slow enough and take the time to extract everything that was nourishing, pull out everything that was really good for us, and release the rest. Let go of the rest. And so I'm doing the annual Reflect and Vision workshop again. On Friday, we do it at the Yurt. We take from 11 to 3 and have the afternoon to digest. And then on Monday night, we're going to do it as an online workshop. So the goal is to take some time. We do a meditation that leads you through 2023 and really wring it out, like extract all the goodness from it and anchor it down and journal things out. And we hit milestones and turning points and lessons learned and accomplishments and all the challenges as well. And then we make some big decisions about what we want to bring forward with us into 2023. What we want to bring forward with us into 2024. And what's necessary, or what our dream would be to leave behind. And to sort of say, I release this. I don't need to carry this forward with me. And equally, we live in a world that is very focused around making resolutions, and we tend not to be very good at following through with that. So our goal with the visioning part of this is to really create a year where we create the feeling, the experience that we want to feel as we live through the year. We want to go through the year and feel strong, supported. We want to feel focused and clear. We want to feel motivated and passionate. And what helps us feel that way and what doesn't. So equally, setting some good intention around what we want 2024 to be. These two experiences are available right now. You have to email me if you want to come to Fridays. There's only a couple spots left. But look at the link in the bio to register for the one that is online. It's by donation to Helping Hands in Cochrane. So this little organization is the organization that helps people that are having a lot of challenges. And so it's good. I love that we support them every year. You can donate $1 and still attend the workshop and have the recording sent to you if you can't attend live, so that you have an hour and a half recording that you can sit down with the workshop pages, the workbook that you'll be given, and work through it on your own when you have the time. But it's time well spent, and it will help you anchor the memories and what was necessary in 2023. So I recommend it. And those of you who have been doing it for a few years, it's that annual pin drop where you get to really watch what's shifted and changed for you as you have made choices to shift and change through the years. So welcome. If it's your first year joining us, then I hope that it is a valuable experience for you. And if you're back again this year, then I look forward to seeing you. Bye. It is Friday. And so if I've said Thursday, I'm wrong. It's Friday. The Yurt is from 11 to 3. And if you'd like to come, then join me. Yeah, I'll check with the Yurt to make sure that they've still got the right times. Okay, thanks everyone.